Hi guys, Arlan here. Welcome to my vlog. Today vlog is I'm gonna replace the oxygen sensor for Nissan Murano Bank 1 sensor 2. So basically that sensor there, if you can see right there, yeah, okay, that one, that's the downstream. So that my code come up as 7. So I need to take it out my tire first so I can access that one. So safety first guys, you're gonna put this one under the hood and jack stand and your jack. So make sure, why Audric, make sure safety first, okay? Maybe you need to take this out too. So you need number 12 for this one. You're gonna take this out too so you can have access. Okay, that one there. So we need to out of the way because right now especially we don't have special tools to take this out, so we save a lot of money in here rather than buying those things, right? Okay, that is out. There you go. There you go. Then we got full access for that thing. So you're gonna use this wrench guys. I use this thing because I don't have the 78 doesn't fit in here, so I use the adjustable wrench, and I got lucky. This guy's, the oxygen sensor is not really tight, so there you go. There you go. Now I take that out already. So guys, you're gonna press this one guys. This one, you're gonna press it. There you go, you can hear that click. And there you go. Okay? So you gotta make sure don't broke this one. And now this is the time you can take this out. Okay? Here's the sensor. This is the oxygen sensor. Bank 1 sensor 2. It's closest to out of the way of the catalytic converter. That one. Then we're gonna get the new sensor. Here is the new sensor guys, NTK. Okay. It's ready already. They put the anti-seize in here, so you do need to put it. So if that one is don't have anti-seize, you're gonna put it. So now we're gonna install a new sensor. Ooh, this thing is scary. Guys, it's our new sensor right there. Okay, that's how you're gonna replace the oxygen sensor, bank 1 sensor 2 at Nissan Murano 2004. Okay guys, there you go. It's connect already, and you're gonna put it back here at the same place. Hi there, we're done to install that oxygen sensor, bank 1 sensor for today. Bye for now.